Okay, here it comes, here it comes. Yeah, there it is, it's on the ground. There it is! There she goes! Yes! Man, that's nice. Wow, look at the ground circulation. Wow.
Go guys, go.
Tornadoes lifted to our south, but it was on the ground for a good couple of minutes. It had really strong rotation, but now it looks like the tornado is occluding. It's going to drop just to our southwest. It's moving northeast. It's about maybe a mile away. I would almost think that it's going to pass to our west just a little bit, but we better get back in our vehicle just to be on the safe side.